Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tenner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1961 Morgan +4 Roadster. It's finished in silver with burgundy wings with a matching burgundy interior. 4-speed Triumph TR3 drivetrain, actually engine. It's got a Moss gearbox, but a TR3 engine, 60-spoke wire wheels, full weather equipment, matching burgundy tonneau cover. I think the top's black, and then it's got a set of side screens. So full weather gear. Really lovely car. Slightly older restoration. We purchased this car from the Arizona owner of the last, I believe it was the last 35 years. He owned it since 1987. So during his ownership, he performed a very extensive total ground-up restoration on the car. All mechanicals, paint, cosmetics, wiring, brakes, suspension, steering, woodwork for rebuilding the tub. I mean, you name it, he's done it on this car. So it's a total ground-up restoration, minimal miles, very, very well sorted out car. You can see me preceding this walk-around video. You can see me driving this car, and it's an absolutely rapid, quick, fantastic, thrilling car to drive. Tons and tons of power, really good power to weight ratio, super torquey TR3 engine. So great little Morgan here. Ground-up restoration, still showing superbly. Great paint, not too much wrong with the paint. You know, still everything was prepared properly and everything's showing well. The chrome works great. There's a slight rub mark here from when the hood was rubbing, but I think that's about it. But you can see this thing is spectacular. Chrome work's all been redone. It's in great condition. Doors fit nice. Really lovely color scheme. Silver with burgundy. Both the metallic, both metallic in the silver, and then in a hint of it in this burgundy paintwork. So really great wheel and tire set. Interior wise, everything's been trimmed in leather. The previous owner stated that this kit came actually from the Morgan factory in the UK. So full leather trim kit, beautiful solid wood dashboard, rebuilt instruments, Brooklyn style steering wheel. Show you the door panel here. Yeah, pretty nice simple interior, but all trimmed nicely in burgundy. Seat belts, matching burgundy side curtain set, black soft top, burgundy tonneau. If you look at the still photos on our website, you can see underneath this car still showing really well. All the chassis, all the suspension, all the drive line, the brakes. Wonderful driving car, really nice and tight. And the only small deficiency I noticed in the car when driving it really hard, pushing it, was second gear synchro was a little bit on the weak side. So, but first gear, all the other gears were fine. And that's a Moss gearbox. I'm sure there's parts available for it, and it could be easily rectified if you wanted to. But definitely a nice driving car the way it is right now. But yeah, impressive. Probably one of the nicest Morgans on the market. Definitely the best sorted Morgan on the market. Drives exceptionally well and tight. And the previous owner dialed everything in on the car. But let's take a look at the engine compartment. So fully rebuilt, fire-breathing Dragon TR3 driveline. You can see everything in here was completely detailed. Everything was cat plated nicely. Re-chromed valve cover. All the mechanicals were completely rebuilt. TS 79538ME. So it's a correct Morgan engine for this car. But yeah, this has all been nicely restored to an excellent standard. I'll show you the other side. Beautiful car. Correct air intake system, correct hose clamps, jet coated intake and exhaust, correct H6 carbs. It's a really wonderful car. And there it is. Beautiful, completely done, fully restored, 1961 Morgan +4. Silver with burgundy wings. Very nice. Slightly older, total ground up restoration, still showing very, very well. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. You can see me thrashing this around the streets preceding this walk around video. It's a very, very fun, thrilling, you know, post-war sports car to have in your car collection. And it's for sale right now.